Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Park Hills, local and long distance movers near me. If you're ready to hire long distance movers with us, you get the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. Getting the right long distance movers makes a pretty big difference. Our team of movers will help you relocate faster and easier. Whether you're ready to move to a new state or all the way across the country, we can help. When you need to move locally, you might still want to hire a Kentucky moving company. With the right local movers, you will save time and energy on any type of move. You don't have to do any of the heavy lifting or worry about any of the manual labor. 3 Movers will streamline your local move and save you as much time as possible. You can even hire us to do the packing and unpacking for you. A move that might take you a week, we can complete in less than a day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Park Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.